up, you guys? Today we are in Amsterdam. There are so many bikes in Amsterdam. It's a really good idea to walk around in the rain and the wind trying to get over a cold. But nothing a little soup can't fix. So I had some Vietnamese curry soup and oh my god, it was bomb. Cow museum! That's so cool. Guys, the cow museum is closed and my heart is broken. This should have been at the cow museum. Y'all know I love cheese and cows. This is my home. Cheese TV. But there's nothing on it. I love learning about cheese. Cheese has been around for 5,000 years, guys. You could swing from the cheese. Y'all, the cow museum's open now. So there was no photography allowed, but you guys got to see the window. So you're just gonna have to come to Amsterdam and see the cow museum for yourself, because let me tell you, it was amazing. This is one of the best things I have ever had. So I just got back to the place that I'm staying at because oh my god, that rain was relentless. Had to come back a little early, but it's okay. So there was a few things that I saw today that I did not vlog about because it wasn't entirely appropriate for my style of vlogging, but I wanted to tell you guys about it anyway. I went to a coffee shop and that is why some of my footage is spliced together from yesterday because I didn't entirely finish yesterday's vlog. But coffee shops here are awesome, guys. You definitely gotta go hit them up if you're here. I also went to the sex museum today. That was super cool, but there was not one thing that I could point my camera at in there. So another thing that you gotta check out on your own. And the museum where you learn about like the history of prostitution. Also super interesting. And I also did not film when I walked around the red light district at night because you're not allowed to, which is totally understandable because of people's privacy. But all of that was super awesome and I had an amazing experience here in Amsterdam. I'm so sad that I have to leave so soon, but I have to get to my last stop in Paris where I catch my plane home. So thank you guys for joining me today and I will see y'all there.